I wanted to share a story of mitosis that may help you, or a story that may help you understand mitosis a little bit better, the different phases. So there were some cowboys, and I'll kind of point where the analogy is, and I'll kind of bring it together at the end if you didn't pick up on it. So you've got some cowboys that have got some cattle. They've got some cows that have been growing up, but when they built these stables, they didn't build any gates to get the cows out. And so what they've got to do is they've got to tear the fence down because they're arguing and they're bickering and they're complaining. And so the owners of these cows are splitting them up into two groups, and one group of cowboys gets one, and one group of cowboys gets the other. So the first thing they have to do is they've got to organize the cows, and what they're going to do is they're going to put pairs together. So if it's a large cow, goes with another large cow. If it's a small cow, goes with another small cow. And they put this string between them. It's very, very loose, but it kind of keeps the cows connected. And then they're doing that as some of the cowboys are partnering them together and putting them together. Other cowboys are taking the fence down all around the cow so that they can actually get the cows into two different spots. And then there's other cowboys that are getting their ropes and stuff ready to do the separating. And so then they line all the cows up in the middle, and one side, these are the two arguing sides, one set of cowboys, or one cowboy runs out to the middle with his lasso and lassos one of the cows, and then another cowboy comes over here and lassos that partner cow. Remember, if they're two big cows, then one side lassos a big cow, and then the other side lassos the other cow that it's attached to, and then they pull the cows apart. The strings pretty easily break because these lassos and cowboys are pretty strong, and they pull one cow to one side and one cow to the other side. And you can see that happening right here, and that happens time and time again until all the cattle that were partnered up in the middle are now being pulled to their opposite sides. And once they're put in their opposite sides, the cows are corralled together, and then cowboys go around and put some fencing around them, and then eventually they are separated into two separate areas, some cows on one side, some cows on the other, and it's the same number on both sides, to be fair. So the cowboys would be the centrioles, the lassos would be the spindle fibers, and the cows would be the chromosomes that are in the middle, and the chromosomes line up, get pulled apart, and then the nucleus forms back around them once the DNA is separated. Once the nucleus is separated, the nucleus starts to form around them. And then the last stage of the cell cycle, not of mitosis, but of the cell cycle, is they're two completely separated. So I don't know if that helps. Hopefully it does to understand PMAT.